Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the mouse acceleration in Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So first of all, you just need to go to your start menu here, then open the settings option here, click on settings. And after opening the settings option, you need to go to your left here and find the Bluetooth and devices option here, click on it. And after opening the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and find the mouse option here, click on mouse. Then you need to scroll down and choose the additional mouse settings. After opening the mouse settings, you just need to click on pointer option here. And here you will find the enhanced pointer precision. So you just need to turn this off here. So just uncheck it, then click apply and OK. So that's it guys, this is how you turn off or disable the mouse acceleration in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.